What's going on, guys? So in today's video, I keep getting asked this question on how to remove the batteries and the clip because people have problems with the clip. So you're going to need two things. You're going to need a multi-tool flathead or a multi-tool Phillips head, my bad. And a long bit flathead. And I'll get to why. So we just need a Phillips head or a flathead to open up this. Either be 1 or 2 screws. Next, you're going to see 2 tabs. These 2 tabs pull the battery up, which reveals this connector. Apply light tension to the wires and use your flathead or possibly Phillips head to push the top over and pull. And there you have it. It fell right down. Now, reinstalling it, you can use pliers, needle nose, whatever you like. And it just clicks right in. You're good to go. Now you can turn your robot back on, which on-off switch to make sure it's off when you work on it, and turn it on. Reapply the cover and screw it down. And as always, guys, thanks for watching Robot Rescue. If you have any questions on your robot vacuum cleaner, please feel free to ask. This is a Shark Ion series robot. This will work on a Shark IQ, AI, and Ion.